Yo guys, what is up? Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the error 802-420 that you might get when trying to install Windows on your computer. So it's pretty easy to fix, pretty simple, and most likely you had an issue, you got this error because there was something corrupt about your download. And to fix this, what you want to do is open up your File Explorer and go to your C drive, your local disk, and then you want to click on the Windows folder, or rather double click on it, and scroll down until you see the software distribution folder, and then you're going to double click on that, and from here you want to double click on your download folder, and once you get to this stage you're going to want to delete every single thing in this folder. The easy way to do that is to click on the first one and then scroll down and shift click on the bottom one. It will select all of them and then hit the delete key. Now I'm not going to do this because I don't have an issue with my Windows 10, so it wouldn't really make sense for me to do this, but if you do, that would be your first step. Your second step would be to first, after deleting this, to open up your command prompt. You can hit the start key and just type in command prompt. And once you open that, you want to type in WUAUCLT.exe space /update now. And you want to type it exactly like that and then hit enter to run it. Again, I don't need to do this, so I'm not going to. After you do that, close it, and then you want to go to your control panel. You can hit the start key and type in control panel, and you're going to want to update your Windows. Easiest way to find this is just to type in Windows Update in the search bar, and you can hit right here. Oh, my bad. Right here, and then just hit next, etc. Follow the instructions. It will update your Windows, and it should reinstall it and fix the issue. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue, there's a problem with what you're installing Windows on, whether that's a disk or a flash drive. I recommend you just go and get a new copy of Windows and cut your losses. Anyways, guys, if this video helped, please leave a like, a comment, or subscribe. I really appreciate it. It really matters. And if I really helped you and you're feeling a lot of love, check out my Patreon. Link is in the description. Maybe throw me a few dollars. It would really help me out and make me feel good. Maybe make you feel good. Anyways, guys, have a great day, and I hope I helped.